get no better, can't get no more cheddar. I feel like the king and my queen is Coretta. I've been made a living, I'm never gon' give in. I'm just way too driven, that's why I've been thinking. I'm scared that I'm sinking, I'm scared that I'm falling. The world think I'm ballin', and maybe I am, but don't give a damn. Back in the beginning, did not have a plan. Don't know who I am or who I'm becoming, but I'ma do me to the fullest, alright. Bustin' and dodging them bullets all night. Take over the world, yeah, I'm thinking I might. Got them all in my sight. I know that I'm strong, I know that I am. I know I'm the man, and whether you poor or you feel with financial security, everyone deal with their own insecurity. Even the preacher was born with impurity. Scared to go out even with my security. Scared of the world and all of its obscurity. Pray for maturity, hope that I grow. Hope my anxiety stay on the low. I swear I hope that shit don't fuck on my flow. Where do I go? What would you do if suddenly all of your dreams came true? What would you do if you did it all? If you ain't never had to lift a finger, would you linger like fuck 'em all? Guess it's your call, but I can't. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Switch up the plan like homie that went from Verizon to Sprint. Can you hear me now? Does anybody out there feel me now? What's your name? What's your game? Come now, boy, just spit your flow. Feel the pain, hit the game. What you tryna say though? Novocaine to the brain. I can't feel nothing no more. In my lane, can't refrain from letting these people know. What's your name? What's your game? Come now, boy, just spit your flow. Feel the pain, hit the game. What you tryna say though? Novocaine to the brain. I can't feel nothing no more. In my lane, can't refrain from letting these people know how I feel. Yeah, that's how I feel. Break it down, roll it up. That's how high I feel. How I feel, how high I feel. Break it down, roll it up. Yeah.
Well, let me get it jumping. I come from the slum, but I'm a slumdog millionaire. I show you how to get it bumping. Shit, you know I'm coming. Just as long as it ain't in your hand, we gotta get a bit something.
Turn that camera off for the net, I ain't bluffing. Y'all don't understand. Rick got a
I gotta pay you back for your patience, but what if I said I got a stack for the waitress?
Alright, YouTube, what's happening? Hey, I don't know if y'all can see it back there, but I got something for the Daytona that's gonna change the whole look of the car. And I'm gonna give y'all a little hint. It's carbon fiber. I had to drive an hour to come pick it up, so now I got an hour drive back to the house, but I think it was worth the hour drive. I got a good deal on it, good price on it. So this much carbon fiber, and like, oh man, once y'all see what it is, oh, don't let the camera fall. But once y'all see what it is, I ain't got my windshield mount, but once y'all see what it is and how light it is, it's crazy compared to the factory one, how light this one is. But that's carbon fiber, that's how it works. So I'm on my way back home. We'll be there in about an hour, so yeah, can't wait to show y'all what it is. And we get it put on the car so we can see what that car look like. Oh my God, this gonna change. Oh, it's gonna make this car look crazy. Look crazy. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the car. All right, so boom, as y'all can see, we back in the car. I don't think y'all ready for this. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Hold on. Oh, let me turn the brightness up. Do y'all see the carbon weave, baby? All right. So let's go ahead and get this out the car. Hold on. Come on, bro. Light skinned nigga like Chris Brown. Y'all ready? Ooh. Y'all see the hood, baby? Oh, I want to lay it on the ground. I'm gonna lay it like this. So as y'all can see, I got the Viper style, hold on, Viper style carbon fiber hood. Oh, that's gonna look good. We got it. Oh, let's hurry up and get this put on.
Yeah, boop, boop. Yeah, boop, boop. If we gonna be Florida, nigga, let's be Florida these days. You know what I'm saying? Let's all roll together, nigga. You can't kill me, nigga. I swear that I done died before. Bitch. God told me that I was gonna be here back in '94. Chevrolet got that motor. Bitch. Diamonds all on my molars. Bitch. Parking lot, I lift the door up. Bitch. Got your bitch smoking Coca-Cola. Bitch. I can't even roll in peace. Why? All my cars orange and green. Yeah. I can't even go to sleep. Why? Your bitch keep blowing me. Yeah. I rep that shit from the 850 on down to the Florida Keys. Yeah. Set my nigga Kodak free. Why? That ain't where you supposed to be. Niggas must wanna bleed. If they don't wanna pay my fee. Niggas ain't rats where I'm so they don't fuck with my cheese. Every Florida nigga coming up, that is that shit that I like to see. Every Florida nigga saying that they the only Florida nigga, that shit don't sound right to me. My niggas gon' blasphemy. If you talk that blasphemy, blasting the fuck nigga head off, that shit is a blasphemy. So why you ain't show me? All the pussy niggas talking shit that don't know me. Before me and Kodak roll through slowly, holding a 414 at 4 in the morning. Probably about to switch my hoe up, cause every morning she starting to throw up. Gotta hit a lick, can't mess up. I know she about to run my checkup. I that baby pappy, I'm her baby daddy. She in love with a Florida nigga, she don't wanna leave Tallahassee. You can't kill me, nigga, I swear that I done died before. God told me that I was gonna be here back in 94. Chevrolet got that motor, diamonds all on my molars. Parking lot, I lift the door up, got your bitch smoking Coca-Cola. I can even roll in peace, all my cars orange and green. I can even go to sleep, your bitch keep blowing me. I rep that shit from the 850 on down to the Florida Keys. Set my nigga Kodak free, that ain't where you supposed to be. Niggas must wanna bleed, if they don't wanna pay my fee. Niggas ain't racks where I'm from, so they don't fuck with my cheese. Every Florida nigga coming up, that is that shit that I like to see. Every Florida nigga saying that they the only Florida nigga, that shit don't sound right to me.
I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please.
As for right now, though, man, it changed the whole look of the car. I need to adjust these little bumper stops to bring that up some. This one need to come down. But yeah. Hell yeah. Huh? Y'all did? You ain't never checked. It's Yep.
You ain't saying it right.
Right after you send me the message.
We're going.
Got a jacket with you?
It's cold. Not cold no more.
I'm gonna cash app it. For real though, how much it gonna be? I'll go ahead and cash app it.
What?
For the sweater?
Oh. I need a jacket.
Boy, I ain't seen this car in about 12 years, man.
Hell yeah, this is good.
I just got it back from the repo office.
No.
No.
No bullshit.
No bullshit. They said we was eating too much burgers in it.
No.
All fat niggas gotta eat.
Now you eating the Reese shit.
Ooh, man.
City cold.
It's too cold. I'm about to
I
quit
need to
this
download
YouTube
Flight
lifestyle.
Radar so I can see who watching us.
I think I got it on my phone.
Oh yeah, see who that is.
They too high to be watching.
Ah! No, we out here just on the light day, man, piping in on the light.
Stupid.
But what ain't?
This whole clip.
All right, why they
Big
burger
boy.
ass nigga,
Patty boy.
shrimp biscuit ass nigga.
Turkey
That bitch gonna be in the
sandwich.
vlog 2 weeks from now.
Ah!
Yeah.
Brutal chin looking at that nigga.
Dirty mouthpiece ass
Now that gonna make the cut though.
I appreciate it.
Nigga like,
All right, Tree, tell them what city we in.
Shit, Mexico.
all right, now we're in
Mexico,
we're in
State
Atlanta.
Farm.
Hold on, you see that State Farm? What that say right there? That say Atlanta. State Farm. That say Atlanta, and as you can see, man, it's chilly right now, but that ain't gonna stop too much of this work ethic, by the way. You know what I'm saying? We got a fucking Subaru pulling up.
No.
That big geek though, don't do
Yeah,
him.
I know. I'm saying Subaru mean
Why they?
Save your hoe.
that shit get gapped. Huh? Oh my God, them boys' cars are sexy. They thought they were right up on the head. That shit gonna hit like bumpers. Like, that bitch gonna be on Dodge page. Like this.
Alright.
That bitch
still 4 stuff on the bar. Oh, you good, you good.
Road. Get what I said. I said, why y'all don't want to me on the road? Because your shit can't be fucked. You gotta hit you while you got a chance. You know what I'm saying? Chase the rainbow. I don't know why they think they gotta hit because I ain't running, you feel me?
He finna start having Hellcats.
Ooh. GFB can have a Hellcat, but if they don't got this red jewel, if they ain't got that red jewel, they can't be. I can't be fought with. You feel me?
They're not.
Like,
They,
if I was
yeah.
on like Demon Time, they oh God! Oh! Oh, it's cold. Oh, here come Mr. Tree on who they can't wait to see.
Porsche pull up. Oh, he's just riding through. Where you supposed to be going tonight, sir? Big Tonka Max. Please don't do nothing crazy. Please don't do nothing. Please don't do nothing crazy.
Don't worry about that. What you do in my car, I'm pull straight the fuck off.